What is up, guys? Welcome back to our Line Rail Fender channel here on the Heart Rails of the Kiamichi Railroad. Welcome back, y'all. We are here. We got the Kiamichi Railroad. Right here at this yield crossing with two tracks, a spur track that goes up that way. It's gone now. It is 11:59, 12 o'clock. This track is going to hit Kiamichi too, so they're running their last bit of freight. I bet you. Gondola cars. Electric gondola cars and stuff like that. T-box cars. T-box. Sorry for the first part of the video where my sister was talking. She's always like that. And my mom and my sister. Yeah, and I better move. You know what? I could get right here. If I ever have to record or anything, I get by this old spur track. It's a good location. Because you can actually go over this track and get really close. I'm getting 20 feet back. I ain't getting that close. At least we got a little lot. They're running their last bit of freight before the strike hits them. There's a dog over there. Oh, he's waiting on the train. He's waiting on the train. That dog waiting on that train, man. That's cursed. Catch it, Fred. There he goes. Oh no, Freddy! Where'd you go, Freddy? Where'd you go, Freddy? Where'd you go? Freddy, where are you at? Aww. Fresh coat of shine. Where's Freddy? Oh no, Freddy disappeared. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Freddy disappeared on us. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye, y'all. Here are my mom and my sister, and there they go.